Journey with us back to the early 1900s. Cars had no seatbelts, no airbags, just speed and steel. Fast forward to the 60s, seatbelts became standard, reducing injuries dramatically. As years passed, the 90s introduced airbags, cushioning impacts and saving countless lives. We've advanced to adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even autonomous braking. Cars today can literally see dangers and act before we are able to. From simple belts to AI-driven systems, car safety has evolved to prioritize our lives, ensuring safer journeys for all.